Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to lock Facebook profile on smartphone, whether you are using Android, iPhone, or even a basic browser. This is the easiest and safest way to protect your Facebook account from strangers who try to snoop around your profile photos and personal information. So make sure to watch till the end and don't skip any steps. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. If you don't have the Facebook app, you can also use any web browser like Chrome or Safari and go to facebook.com. Log in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap profile icon at the top left corner. On the profile page, tap on three dot icon. Here, you will see the several options. Now, find lock profile sections. Tap on it. Once you are on the profile locking page, Facebook will show you what happens when you lock your profiles. Include only friends will see your past and future photos, posts, and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to see profile info set to public. Public posts you are taking set for you and send you friend requests. Now, to proceed, simply tap on the lock your profile button at the bottom. A confirmation message will pop up saying you locked your profile, and that's it. Your profile is now officially locked. If you ever want to unlock your profile in the future, you can return to the same settings and select unlock profile. Now, your Facebook account is much more private and secure. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want me to cover more Facebook privacy settings. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.